Switch. Camera gear. I decided today we'll take a ride to Nelson's. See what that fool up to. God knows what he's getting himself into without me. Let's go check on our boy and see how he doing though. What happened to the doorbell? I have so many questions. So many. And here we go. He's letting me in. What's up, guys? Well, what's up, Nelson? What's good? I got a gift for you, bro.
It's probably my camera.
That's exactly what it is. That's exactly what it is. It's your camera.
Appreciate it.
This man Nelson is upset because I told him that Rise of the Skywalker was trash, which it was. So I cannot believe you sat here and enjoyed that movie.
This is why you have to have contrast, and because some of the parts were actually good.
You cannot tell me that there was one thing enjoyable that you enjoyed about that movie.
They want to buy it for like $300. I was like, all right, I'll take that.
I got a 4790K. I don't know which one's bigger and stronger. But I mean, I don't have CPU definition anymore.
Nelson, a full-blown computer geek. But look at his cable management. This shit is trash.
How you gonna find me on this joint, bro?
Cable management is trash. Look at this bullshit, y'all.
Yeah, my cable management is trash.
No, mine's is even worse. Oh, Nelson, that drink looks pretty scrumptious. What is that?
Some drink I got from the block.
No, it's interesting.
Y'all really went to the block without me. Hey, son, I have never seen somebody so disrespectful in my life, bro. The dude who put you on to the block.
First of all, you ain't put me on to the block. I knew before the block. I went with my Marine friend called, his name is James Kim. I went before you.
So are you saying I didn't put you on to the block?
You did not put me on to the block, dog.
Man, the lies this fool is telling. Hey, son. Hey, my man, if it was not for the block, Nelson would have never known about that joke.
Man, he just put me on, so I'm about to be the block.
The block is the business.
Yeah.
I was like, man, this is a fat kid's dream with like 6 restaurants in one.
Bro, I went to that joint, I had ice cream, I had a motherfucking soup, I had a motherfucking noodle, I had a motherfucking drink. I was like, God damn,
The block
bro.
is the truth, bro. Oh my God.
That's what it is. Listen. I got
Y'all gotta make sure y'all get down on the block. It's in VA in Annandale. Shit is the truth.
See, that's the problem. We're going to Microsoft, I'm going to fuck around and buy something too.
See, that's why I want to go. I'm like, man, I don't know.
I mean, y'all want to all go?
I ain't gonna lie.
Hey, what's up, man? Oh, I got some here if you need some. But hey, I gotta know now because this is the only process that I have for this computer. So like, if you come and get it today, I gotta get the other. I gotta upgrade the processor and then proceed from there.
So we're going to pick it up now or before you come? We're going to wait for him. What are we going to have if you want to?
I think they close at 6. Let's see what time they close.
For real?
Yeah, I think they close at 6 today. Road trip! All right, we on our way. All right, throw this. Don't want to step on nobody's stuff. Okay. So how you feel, Nelson, that you made it before 6 o'clock?
I feel like I need to use the restroom.
Yeah, we trying to rush to 6 o'clock. Yeah. Yeah. He's just gonna go on himself. That's what he normally does.
Oh, that's cool.
There we go. You guys are all set.
Thanks, bro. Appreciate it.
Yep, no problem.
Want me to take one? So I can drop it in the parking lot? It's in short, right? So if I drop it, we good, right?
We about to have some problems. We about to run into the gym.
And just like that, mission accomplished. Now, back to the car where it all originally started. Back to it.
Turn my shit to brick. That shit gonna be.
Nelson forgot how to update the BIOS and he's supposed to be a damn administrator.